Okay, so I hear it all the time. Lori, where do I contour? How do I lift my cheeks up? How do I hide that? Let me teach you. So first off, this brush right here, it's called the detail brush. Absolute favorite for contour placement. And then right here, I have my shade. It's called Olive. Now contours are a little bit cooler in color, meaning they're made to be more of a shadow. Now I choose this color very carefully based on what is going on in your face, your hair, your eyes, your chest, neck area, because I want this color to actually help pull all of the shades going on in your face together. And I feel like contour is sometimes where the magic can be. Start at the top of my ear and bring it down to like right about the corner of my eye. And because my face is long and narrow, I want my contour to be more horizontal. If you want to make your face look thinner, you're going to do it more up and down. I like to take it up along my forehead here to kind of shrink this down a little bit. And then down here, right on that, where that skin sticks out, and down here, because it's always lighter. You know, if you have questions about contour and about what shade you need, and I'm going to continue putting my face on.